Hi, I'm Madison Brailsford, and the problem I decided to find a solution for was the struggle for teachers to communicate with the parents, especially in the elementary education. So, the app that I found is called Showbie. It is free to download and it has awesome resources for the teachers. It starts with some annotations for the teachers to keep track of things. There's a grade book for the parents to be able to see how well their students are doing. And then there is parent sharing. So the teachers can share things with the parents and make sure that they're on schedule and keeping their student up to date with things that are going on. There's discussion boards that can be had between teacher, parent, teacher, student, or teacher and all of the above, the whole class, all of the parents, things like that. Then there's some collaboration that can happen kind of the same as well as with other teachers. There's assignments so that the parents can be on board with what their student or their child needs to turn in. And there's portfolios so that they can see what their students are doing well on and can be awarded those different things. And then my personal favorite that I looked into a little bit is the voice notes. So for some parents and some teachers and students, really, they would prefer to hear the teacher's voice, or the teacher would prefer to speak those things so that it comes off in a good tone. We all know that, especially if you're giving a critique or trying to give some negative feedback to help the child improve, if it's typed out, it could be taken a little bit worse than if they can hear your voice. And so these voice notes can be really handy that way. And since I'm doing a screen share rather than the PDF, I found some awesome resources to go on and have tutorials. So Showbie actually has their own YouTube channel where they have tutorials for students, teachers, and parents. And the videos are actually super awesome and very helpful. And then they have a lot of other really tips and tricks and just other things on here that helps them. Something else that I really liked about the Showbie app is that they include Socrative in their app as well. Socrative is a quizzing app that's a little bit more fun, and it's a really good resource for teachers to use to help quiz their students in a better way. And they have a little bit of a team going on there, so through Showbie you can use those things as well. But yeah, this was the solution that I found for the issue of that communication, and I hope that that helps.